Ever feel like no matter what you do, that stubborn belly fat won't budge? You eat clean, you work out, and still nothing changes. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But today we will unlock the secrets to finally targeting that stubborn belly fat. And trust me, it's not just about crunches and cutting carbs. Let's dive in. 1. Learn about the problem and try to avoid it. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was doing everything I thought was right. Running 5 days a week, eating salads, skipping desserts. And yet, I couldn't get rid of my belly fat. I felt stuck. Frustrated, I even started thinking maybe my body was just meant to have it. But then I discovered something that changed everything. 2. Myth-busting common mistakes. The truth is, most people make the same 3 mistakes when trying to lose belly fat. Mistake number 1. Too much cardio, not enough strength training. You've probably heard, burn more calories than you eat. But excessive cardio can backfire. It raises cortisol levels, which can lead to, you guessed it, more belly fat. Mistake number 2. Focusing only on dieting. Cutting calories drastically can slow metabolism and cause muscle loss. And muscle is what keeps your body burning fat efficiently. Mistake number 3. Ignoring hormones and sleep. Stress, lack of sleep, and hormones significantly affect belly fat storage. If you're not addressing those, you're fighting an uphill battle. Number 3. The solution. So, how do you actually get rid of belly fat? Here's the game plan. Step 1. Strength training and HIIT. Instead of long, exhausting cardio sessions, focus on strength training at least 3 to 4 times a week. Build lean muscle, and your body will burn fat even while you sleep. Add in short, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, for extra fat-burning power. Step number 2. Smart nutrition, not starvation. Instead of cutting calories to the extreme, focus on high-protein whole foods that keep you full and fuel your metabolism. Include healthy fats and fiber. And don't fear carbs. Choose the right ones, like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and oats. Step number 3. Sleep and stress management. If you're not sleeping at least 7 hours a night, your body produces more cortisol, which makes belly fat stick. Try meditation, deep breathing, or cutting screen time before bed to improve sleep quality. Step 4. Consistency over perfection. Most people quit because they expect overnight results. But real fat loss happens over weeks and months. Consistency beats perfection every time. Number 4. Final words and call to action. Now that you know the secrets to targeting stubborn belly fat, it's time to take action. No fad diets, no gimmicks, just science-backed habits that work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and tell me which tip surprised you the most in the comments. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.